So the three criterion we're going to apply to the design of this exercise program in terms of the design of the exercises themselves are: we're going to use as much muscle mass as possible in the exercise. When we choose a way to squat, we are specifically going to opt for the squat that places as much stress on as much muscle mass as possible. This is why we do the low bar squat, and why we do it with a more horizontal than could be considered standard back angle, because it works better for our purposes. It's harder to coach this way, granted, but we're not here to do things easy. We're here to do things effectively. You're going to learn how to coach the squat with a more horizontal back angle, and it's going to be one of the first things that you're going to be required to demonstrate your ability to do at the seminar when we examine you for your ability to coach this material. Second is the range of motion. We are going to use the longest effective range of motion, and we are not going to use a range of motion that is longer than is necessary to obtain a good result for criterion number 1, muscle mass. Okay? We don't do things that require that we relax portions of the kinetic chain in order to obtain a longer range of motion. We do things the way that optimizes the range of motion so that the greatest amount of muscle mass can be involved, and that allows us, number 3, to lift the greatest amount of weight possible using that exercise. Okay, while still paying attention to range of motion and greatest amount of muscle mass. In other words, we're not going to quarter squat, and we're not going to push press. We're going to do the exercises the way we've designed them. So, if we squat, we press, we deadlift, we bench press, and we power clean and snatch, then we have to, those exercises done the way we are going to show you how to do them, according to these criteria here that we've just detailed, will make you the strongest. That's almost criterion number 4. If you do things the way we're going to show you how to do them, these 5 or 6 exercises are all you need to do. Once again, we do not, in this method, we do not vary the exercise selection. Exercise selection is an extremely complicated process, an extremely precise process, where we design the exercises that we use, the 5 or 6 exercises we're going to use, to do exactly the job that we want to do for generalized strength training, which is get stronger. Okay? We don't have to do 3 different types of squats. We do 1 type of squat. We don't push press and Olympic press and strict press and behind the neck press. We're going to do the 1 type of press that we're going to show you how to do, because we don't have to do the other ones if we do the first way correctly. We don't do close grip benches and wide grip benches and decline and incline benches because we don't have to. We do the bench press the way we've designed it, and it works for what we're trying to do, which is get stronger. All of the exercises in this program have been designed for efficiency in terms of being able to teach them effectively, being able to program them effectively, and being able to fit them into a client's workout schedule so that we can get strong, effectively, efficiently, and generate happy clients and strong people, including you.